Sister got in a little fender bender last night, so all right, we got all our supplies over here. Shoot, I forgot something. Got our zip ties, a little drill there, bungee cord, tape, and this is what we got to work with. Check it out. What do you think? What do you think? You go up over here. That's gonna be a little tough. I don't know what we're gonna do there. That should do. When it comes to body work, I have zero skill. I even went to a little, kind of like a little trade school in high school for body work, and I still suck at it. So, I have a friend, his name's Henry, that's on his way over to the shop right now. He's got quite a few years of experience in multiple body shops. So he's gonna help me out on the R32. There's a pretty nice sized dent in the quarter. Believe me, I already tried to bump it out. Didn't quite work in my favor. So he's gonna help me out with that. Basically all I know how to do is turn a wrench, take stuff apart, put it back together, kind of, you know, if I get lucky. All right, so what's going on here is we got a fender from LKQ, and basically what happens is they ship them and they got a nice crease in the side. So what we have to do is bump it out, spread some filler over it, prime it, do all that good stuff before we can use this fender. We got our dent out here. All we gotta do now is scuff the edges, and 600 with a DA, do that to the entire car. We got our hood fenders on. We actually have the bumper right here. This has to be sanded down a little bit more, and we need to throw some like bumper filler on there or whatever, just to cover up those scratches. Other than that, we need to send the wheels to sandblast and powder coat. So if you guys have a recommendation on color, let us know. All right, so everything's taped off. We got our red Scotch-Brite. We only got a little bit, so we probably have to get more. But basically what I did is I went around, taped everything off that in case the Scotch-Brite hits it, doesn't scratch it up. We're not painting the hatch, and we're not painting the rear bumper just because they look fine, and all we're gonna do is wheel them out, make sure the paint matches. What's going on, guys? Come on, follow me. Follow me. Let's go. Let's go. Follow me. Okay. All right. We got our car all sanded down. Pretty much everything that's getting painted is sanded. Literally barking at nothing. All right. So anyway, everything that's getting painted on this car is sanded down. What I did was Scotch Brite all the edges. So I Scotch Brite in here, and then I took a DA and 600 the rest of the car. Everything, including the roof, blah, 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 blah. All right, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys like these videos. I'm gonna try to keep coming out with them every week, so stay tuned. Thank you.